Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying both devices, open your phone's hotspot screen, and create an SSID and password so your laptop can find it. On the laptop, enable Wi-Fi and disable airplane mode so networks appear. Make sure mobile data is active and you have signal. If your carrier blocks tethering, this will fail. Once done, note the encryption type and password. This prevents accidental open connections and explains why your laptop will accept the hotspot securely. Now, on the laptop, select the phone's SSID from the Wi-Fi list and type the password carefully. Typos are the most common error. Once connected, verify the security shows WPA2 or WPA3. This ensures encrypted traffic. If websites don't load, check IP settings. DHCP usually works, but you may assign a static IP when network policies require it. Also, make sure laptop VPNs and firewalls aren't blocking new networks. Finish by testing browsing and a simple speed check so you know your connection works and how fast it is. If pages fail to load, restart the phone and laptop. This clears transient glitches, so make sure to re-enter the hotspot password after. If problems persist, forget the network on the laptop and reconnect, or reset the phone's network settings. Finally, contact your carrier if tethering is blocked or update both devices' operating systems. These steps resolve most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.